Hey, it's Jish, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to type differently in Discord. When I mean type differently, I mean typing in italics, bold, underline, things like that. So first thing I'm going to do is create a new server. Let's call it test. Disconnect from that channel. So the first thing we're going to teach you guys is how to type in italics. So to do this, you gotta press shift and press the 8 key to get the asterisk. Then you just type your message and then press shift and press the 8 key to get asterisk again. And there you see, there is the italics. This is the normal. So the next thing which I'm going to show you guys is how to type in bold. So to type in bold, you gotta press shift and then the 8 key to get the asterisk and press it once again to get 2 asterisks. Then you wanna do your text and then put 2 asterisks again. That puts it in bold. So we've covered bold, we've covered italics. What if you want bold italics? So to do that, you gotta press shift the 8 key 3 times to get 3 asterisks. Then you gotta do your test thing or like whatever text you want, 3 asterisks again, and that is bold italics. So now if you want to do underline, you just do 2 underscores. The underscore is next to the equals key in the top right. 2 underscores, then your text, 2 underscores again, and that's underlined. Say if you want underlined italics. To do that, all you have to do is use the methods which we previously used. So if you remember, italics is just 1 asterisk on either side. So firstly we do 2 underscores, 1 asterisk, then your text, once again 1 asterisk and 2 underscores. There's underlines, italics, and then if you want underline bold, remember what we did. So underline is 2 underlines, underscores even, and bold is 2 asterisks. So we do 2 underscores, 2 asterisks, test, or whatever your text is, 2 asterisks, 2 underscores. That's that. Then if you want underline bold italics, you gotta do 2 underscores for the underline thing, 1 asterisk for italics, and then 2 more for bold. Then you put your test. Now what am I saying? Then you put your text, 3 asterisks, 2 underscores, bada bee, bada boo. So if you want to have a strike through your test, you want to go to next to your enter key, this like wavy thing. Pretty sure it's the, depends on if you're on a UK layout, it's going to be on your hashtag. If it's an American, just try and find the wavy thing. So you want to put 2 of these wavy things, then your text, 2 more of these wavy things, then you get a line through your text. That's pretty much it for this video of how to type differently in Discord. If you want me to do a video of how to do code blocks in Discords with syntax, colors, and things like that, make sure to tell me in the comments below and I'll suddenly do that for you guys. But yeah, that just about wraps up this video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new or if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.